Today, it will practice spoken English, the perfect story. The story is sad, but it is very interesting. The story is in a lot, but story is very confident and he also very comfortable. Listen now. Once upon a time, there lived a bird. He had a well, a bird here name is parrot. It is beautiful bird into the sitting on the tail, a little bird. A asked a bird one day very hungry. He was look for watching bee eating food, but he did not like eating food. The little bird, after some weeks going for rest, it will someone eating the little bird. Little bird Fave is very happy. The little bird is singing and song. Even thought cute in the bird. The bird is singing and song. He was a bird. The place and shape place than plant. The bird is enjoy singing and song. The bird is a parrot. Beautiful look like this. A bird is enjoy in the forest than place than plant. Able to it is a body story interesting and perfect practice. English is spoken every day. Improve your spoken English confidence conversation fluently with you. So thank you so much.